Welcome to Church Central Cloud. In this tutorial, I will show you how to stop using papers and slips to collect your church visitors' details. You need to start using the digital system like the platform to manage your visitors. Visitors are very important, and how you manage them from the one is critical to your church growth. So to do that, you go to People tab and you see Visitors. You click that. Okay. So this is your visitors dashboard. Okay. Here, if you use this properly, with time you will see all the details of your visitors, their name, their contact, the date they visited, the status, the city, and any action that has been assigned to the follow-up team to follow them. Okay. Now, the visitors card should be replaced. Okay. And to do that, what you need to do is to click this button. Okay. And print out this QR code. Okay. Or you need to just click this download button and it will download it into your system and you just print that out. Okay. Once you print that out, then put it on the board, or if you have a visitors welcome room, just put it there. And all you need to do is to um, instruct the visitors to use their smartphone or phone with internet and scan this QR code. Then it will open the unique visitors form for your church. All they need to do is just enter their details and click submit. Once they submit it, the system automatically captures that visitors detail into your dashboard. If the visitor does not have a smartphone with internet, any of your visitors welcome team can do that for them. Just the same process, and then the visitors data is entered here. So the message here is that you need to digitize your visitors management system. You're losing a lot of members because you are not efficient. The papers and slips you are using is ending up on tables, on shelves, and inside people's Bible, and it's not being used, efficiently. So that's how you do that. Okay. And then you can add visitor manually. So if you already have some visitors that have visited you before now, and you have their details, so you can add their details manually. Just click that add visitors tab there, and then you just enter their details, and then submit. Add. So this is quite simple and very straightforward. And then once you do that, you will see data here that will show you total visitors that has come over time. Yeah, and the new ones contacted. So you will see how this works very powerfully, because there is a system that automatically engages the visitors, contacts them through SMS message and through email as well, and then does a 28 days follow up for visitors, informing them of your church programs, activities, your times, events, and the pastor's message as well. And so here you see the visitors that have migrated, that have been progressed from visitors to being part of the church. So you see the numbers here as integrated. And here you can really search, yeah. So you can really search visitors by the time they came. So those that are joined today or like 7 days, 30 days this month, and then you can custom the range, yeah. So this is a very, very important part of your church, and you should take it seriously. Get the visitors page working for you. Now, what happens after the visitor is added to the system? So let me show you through that. The onboarding system takes over from there. So I click that. So you see the discipleship dashboard. So let's see that. Okay. Now this is the journey of your new visitors. Yeah. So this is when the visitor enters the system, and there is a 28-day visitor engagement journey that's automated here. Okay, it's automated, and you can enable here to auto enroll visitors, which means that once a visitor is added into the system, the visitor is automatically enrolled into this 28-day journeys of giving. So all you need to do is just to check that, and then it becomes active. It means that as your visitors are entering into the system, the 28-day days engagement workflow, which means the church, uh, uh, the date of service, the pastor's message, any program you're having, they are reminded. The church words of encouragement and prayers, and everything that enables the that the church wants to communicate to their first time members can be configured in this 28 days journey plan. Okay. um and this is what it looks like. Yeah, it look like. So so day zero, day one, day 2, day 5, day 7, day 10, 14, 15, day 18, 21, 24, 20. So these are, it's all spaced properly. Yeah, it's all spaced properly. And then some of them are not necessarily email. It's just that it triggers a follow-up call reminder for the follow-up team to call. There's an SMS, encouragement from the pastor. That is the first return invitation after the sermon. So all this has been well thought through in terms of how the follow up should work. Yeah, and if the follow up is done properly, you eventually come to a point where you have a new convert. Okay, you have a new convert, and once this person gets into the new convert phase, so then you will see. Okay, before I show you the new convert phase, so this is the overview that shows you the health of your visitors management system. Okay, now it shows you a lot of information. Visitors this week not yet contacted. So if you have 6 visitors this week and only one has been contacted or recorded, you're going to see it here. Visitors moving from visitorship to new convert, and those who are doing baptism. So it's going to show you all that. Now, if you understand this system, there is an automated task assignment to the follow-up team, or the members or the workers have identified to follow up as members as visitors are coming in. So this system enables you to track how many of those follow-up has been done and how many of it is outstanding. So it also has the ability to like understand uh, because of these gaps what is happening to your visitors in terms of risk to being converted. Membership class, so as well registration. So here you see the visitors by status, new, converted, integrated. So that is the details of that is going to come here. Okay, now let me show you the new convert workflow. So from the visitors workflow, you're going to come into the new convert class category, and this is where you have go to the sidebar again. You see new convert, click that, and this is not newcomers. Now these are people that have been that are giving their life to Christ, and they have now joined as new converts. So this is where you can enter their details. Okay. Um, I hope this helps you to use the visitors section. Very powerful. I want you to this Sunday start using it. Don't wait. Don't wait. Start using this Sunday. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. We see you again. Thanks.